Okay, this is still a non-school day on November 22nd. Choose your own adventure. The lesson is lesson 3, and it's called Guess Where. And it's just 2 different games, pretty much with the same concept. They're going to be trying, this is one of the game boards, they're going to try and figure out what continent these animals live in the wild on. So they'll have these little pieces if they need to look up front. The questions will be on little strips like this, folded up in a pile. They each grab, one at a time. They'll take their turn, and they read the question, and then they try and answer it. So one says, guess what continent the rhinoceros lives in the wild on. And then if they know it, they just say it, or they can give a guess. And then if they didn't know it, they just go to whatever country, like this is Africa, and they can point. So it's just a matter of learning the continents and animals in the wild, and the difference of captivity animals that are in the zoo that need human care versus roaming wild. And then the second game is Pictionary. It's Animal Pictionary, and it'll only be with 3 continents, Europe, Africa, and South America. And so they'll have an easel paper thing up to draw, and each of these are animals that they can, pick one, and anteater, and they can draw it. This is the clue. If it's pink and pink, it's from South America. But then then the kids will have to, when they're drawing, then they'll have to guess, the others will have to guess what the animal is and what the country is, or continent is. If the artist wants to draw any other animal, they can, but they have to know what continent that it lives in the wild on. So it's 2 different games, but played 2 different ways, but the same game.